Want to know how to use records in Java 17? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up VS Code or any other code editor. Now, in order to add simple classes, you can just simply use records. So they are perfect for holding data without boilerplate. So you want a user class with a name and age, let's say. So normally you would write fields, constructors, getters, and maybe two string parentheses. So that's a lot of code. So but with a record, you can just simply type this out. So right here you can see this syntax or this example right here. Your record user, your string and your string name, and then your age with an integer. So that's it. That's not a lot to do. So with a record, this one line auto generates everything. Constructor, getters, toString, equals, and hash code as well. So this is how you can simply use it. Now you can just modify and apply it to your code. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.